Welcome to Vista Mundo Retreat Center, a tranquil oasis nestled in the serene mountainside of Berlin of San Ramón, Costa Rica. Imagine a place where nature and comfort harmoniously blend, offering a spa-like experience with our ionized and ozonated freshwater pool. Vista Mundo boasts versatile living spaces with 10 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, 7 kitchens, and 5 living rooms, plus space for glamping out back. Each apartment can be configured as a 1 or 2 bedroom suite, providing flexibility for your guests. Our dedicated event room and commercial kitchen make Vista Mundo perfect for wellness retreats, corporate events, weddings, and family reunions. Located just 1 hour from San Jose's International Airport and the nearest beach, Vista Mundo offers easy access for international travelers. Surrounded by lush greenery and abundant wildlife, it is a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. With a capacity for 24 overnight guests and up to 60 daytime participants, Vista Mundo is an exceptional investment opportunity with diverse revenue streams. Experience a world of peace and beauty at Vista Mundo. Your serene Costa Rica retreat center awaits.